Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to schedule a message on Telegram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to schedule a message on Telegram, all you gotta do is open your Telegram. Now you need to open the chat you want to send message to. After this, you can simply type the message. Once you have selected the message, you need to tap on the paper plane like option. You need to long tap it and you can find the option called schedule message. Now simply tap on schedule message and select the date and time you want this message to be scheduled. And in the repeat section, you can simply find the never option as well, which can be used by purchasing the subscription of Telegram. And now, once you've set the scheduled date, you can tap on send. Now, after doing this, that message will be delivered on the date and time you have selected. So this way you can schedule messages on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.